In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the alarm volume on your iPhone. So if we were to go to our clock app here and you have your alarm set, maybe it's too loud or not loud enough, it's real easy to go ahead and change that volume so you can turn it down or up. So unfortunately, you can't do it in the alarms app. So let's go ahead and come out of here and let's go to our settings. And what you want to do is scroll down until you find your sounds and haptics. Now, what you want to do here is really just scroll down and adjust the ringtone and alerts volume knobs here. It doesn't affect the volume for your phone, as far as if you were to look at your drop down menu on the far right side, your volume is different from your actual ringtone volume. So if you were to raise this up and down, the volume will adjust. As you see, I have it all the way up, but this will also affect other alarms or phone calls on your phone. So just keep that in mind when you go about adjusting